In this video, I will show how to derive the reduction formula for the indefinite integral of cotangent x to the power n. So first of all, this formula will only work when n is large enough, and we start by taking off two cotangents away from the cotangent to the power n. Then we use the trigonometric identity, and instead of cotangent squared, we write cosecant squared x minus 1. This allows us to split the integral into two. So we have integral of cotangent to the power n minus 2x times cosecant squared x dx minus integral of cotangent to the power n minus 2x dx. And the last integral we'll leave alone. That's going to be part of the reduction formula. The first integral we are going to do by substitution. And the substitution that we're going to perform is the following. We're going to let t be equal cotangent to the power, actually just cotangent of x. Then dt will be negative cosecant square x dx. And that means the new integral in terms of t will be t to the power n minus 2 times negative 1 dt. And we still have this integral of cotangent n minus 2 x dx. So notice how this substitution is only for the first integral. The second integral is unaffected by it. And now we can find the antiderivative of that function. So it is negative 1 over n minus 1 times t to the power n minus 1, but t is same as cotangent. So it's cotangent to the power n minus 1 x. That's the antiderivative for the first one, minus integral of cotangent n minus 2x dx. And this is the formula. So integral of cotangent to the power n x dx is equal to negative 1 over n minus 1 cotangent n minus 1 x minus integral of cotangent n minus 2 x dx. This is the reduction formula for integrating cotangent to the power n.